Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum everyone. So in today's video I'll be showing you two ways in which you can paint the edges of your hardcover and paperback books. So the first way is with some spray paint. You're gonna need a pile of books to put your book on, some paper to wrap your book in, some paper tape or masking tape. Just don't use scotch tape, that's gonna ruin your book, and something flat to put on top of your book, and then some heavy weights to press the pages of the book together. Wrapping your book is the most important part of this. You do not want any paint to get on your book. I forgot to cover mine the first time I tried it, so do not be like me and forget it. It's really important to protect the cover, and then you just get started. Assemble the entire thing like this, and you can apply as many layers as you want, but let the first layer dry and then apply the second layer. That way it won't seep through the pages and it'll create an even color. Leave the book to dry for about an hour. When it's completely dry, you can take the cover off. Usually with spray paint the pages don't stick together, but just in case, just bend all the pages and just fan them out to make sure that none of them are sticking together. So that's how you end up with the sprayed edges. It's really nice, it's really even, and it doesn't look clumpy or anything. So this is the result when you use spray paint. Now the second method is to paint your edges with some acrylic paint. With acrylic paint you need to make sure that the paint isn't really thick. Use a good quality acrylic paint and make sure it's a little thinner in consistency. So just arrange the book in the same way. Sorry the camera gets a little out of focus for a while, just bear with me. While painting with acrylics, you need to make sure that you put the weights as close to the edges as possible. That way it will press the pages together and the paint won't seep through. I would recommend using flat brushes to apply the paint. Since I was painting 6 of crows, I decided to make some crows flying to add some detailing. It did turn out pretty nice. When you use acrylic paints, the pages do stick together. So to separate them, you're just gonna bend all the pages and fan them out. That will mostly separate the pages, but if still some are stuck together, just gently run your hands through them or a finger through them. That will do the job. So this is the final result for using acrylic paints. This was my first attempt. It looks pretty decent. And then I also painted cinder in 2 colors. It also looks pretty cool. Let me know if you guys want me to do a part 2 to this. So until next time, peace out.